Yeah, motorized blinds and shades are something that are really proliferating out there in the marketplace right now. Motorized window coverings can be expensive depending on the features you want, or can actually be very inexpensive if you're just looking for simplicity of open and close. A lot of the cost associated with motorized window coverings is the programming, the gateways and the hubs for the internet, the ability to use on an app, and to be something that you can integrate with your other internet-controlled devices. That generally drives the expense up. For an average motorized shade, you can roughly plan on around $400 or $500 to add a motor to a shade, but like I said, it comes with all of those additional features too. Some of the benefits of motorized window coverings are first and foremost child and pet safety, but also convenience. A lot of our clients talk about how motorized window coverings enhance their lifestyle. It's not about being lazy and not wanting to get out of a chair to raise or lower your window covering or tilt it. It's really about having that room set with the light and the look that you're looking for whenever you enter that room at different points throughout the day. Motorization also helps with temperature, light, and heat control. When you're on vacation or when you've left to go to work, your shade's can automatically close to block out the sun, to block out the heat, or on a cold winter's day can insulate your windows and keep your heat inside the house. As more motorized window coverings come out and as companies like Hunter Douglas continue to innovate those motors, they become more reliable. There are a lot of different features and there are a lot of different things that influence motorization and how reliable it is. It's not always just the blind or the battery that you may have issues with. If you have internet connectivity issues in your home, if you have router issues, if you have issues with your phone, that might contribute to having problems with motorized shades. However, it also affects all of your other devices. Many of our window coverings that are motorized can run in the background with little to no input by you, the user, at all. The batteries are going to be mostly internal to shades now. That's a really cool advent over the last few years where companies like Hunter Douglas have started to actually put a rechargeable battery within the headrail to maximize the type of shade that you can use if you only have shallow windows or not much depth to mount them in. There are very few companies left that really have a detachable or separate battery. One of the coolest innovations that we've seen over the last few years is solar panels on motorized shades. If you have a south or westward facing window or your eastward facing window gets enough light in the mornings, you can utilize solar panels to keep batteries recharged in shades so that you can really minimize the number of times you have to charge that shade over the life of the shade.